Breaking overnight in the South Bay, one person is dead, two others injured after a suspected drunk driver crashed into an outdoor dining area in San Jose.
KRON 4's Camila Barco is live in San Jose this morning with more details. Camila?
Yeah, good morning, Noel and Marty. So officers are no longer here on scene. The scene has been cleared. Instead, workers have cleaned up the outdoor dining area here at the restaurant. And just moments ago, I saw one worker cleaning up the floor. And this all happened here at Agave Sports Bar and Grill here in San Jose. It's located on West Alma Avenue, and the incident happened around 9 o'clock last night. So let's take a look at the video of the scene. You can see first responders helping treat those hurt in the incident. The roadways were blocked, several officers here on scene. And as you guys said earlier, officials say a driver plowed into the outdoor dining area of this restaurant. Two people were injured. A third victim was taken to a hospital to be treated, but later died. Now in this video, you'll see officers arresting this woman. Police say she was the one behind the wheel when she crashed into the Agave Sports Bar and Grill. She has been arrested on suspected alcohol influence. Now, police have not released the name of the driver. We're still looking to see who this person is and any more information regarding last night's incident. Noel, Marty, back to you.
All right, Camila, thanks a lot for that live report. That's Camila Barco in San Jose.
We are following breaking news out